Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Black Friday haul plus extra stuff that I got like last month or whatever. I just want to show you. Okay, you know how Black Friday is, so we're just gonna get into this. Okay, first place I'm gonna do, just to get out the way, is Ross. I got this green cropped hoodie. It kind of looks like my shirt now, but with the hoodie. And then I got this sparkly shirt thingy. It's crop top too. Cute, right? Alright, yeah, got that. And then I got a Bob's Burger shirt. It's way too big for me, but I still gonna wear it. I'm still gonna wear it. No one's gonna tell me nothing, okay? I didn't get these Black Friday. I got these like last week. I don't know when I got them, but it wasn't this Black Friday. Next we got Ulta Beauty. So I just got this like today. Today's Saturday. Okay, I didn't get no deals. I just bought it. So I got the new, I don't think this is new, but I got the Dose of Colors Snow Angel palette. And I've been wanting this thing for a while. Actually, the one that I want, the Blushing Berries one, is always sold out. So I'm going to show y'all what it looked like. Oh, it comes with a brush too? I did not know that. These are the colors. Aren't they pretty? You see that blue though? You see these blues? Then it has a berry pink and then, yeah. And it really is that color, but I'll figure it out. Alright, so yeah, I got that. I just changed it back into the box. And then I got Ariana Grande's new perfume, Cloud. It smells good. It smells good. I like Moonlight better, but you know, Cloud's cool too. Let's go in the finish line. Didn't buy Black Friday, but I got it on sale. It's nothing special, just a chocolate maroon Nike hoodie. Hey! I got this way too big because that's how I wear my stuff nowadays. I don't like showing skin. Okay, I got it. It's cute. It's thick. I love it. Amazing. Okay, next items I'm going to show you are from Boohoo, but I bought them in like the end of October, I want to say. I don't know, but I just want to show y'all because they're cute. So I'm gonna show you one boot per boot. I got these long, what are these like? I don't know, me. They're thigh highs. So I got these long thigh high boots. They look like this, go like that. I honestly hope my leg fits this because I have skinny calves and I can't help it. Alright, and then my next boots I got are these. Aren't they cute? It's like the new sock style booties coming out nowadays. It has a pointed heel on it, you know. But it's not sock fitting. If anything, I would wear these with skinny jeans and this part would go over the jeans because they are not hugging at all. But you know, it's all good. I love them. They're cute. And I rarely wear anything that's pointed, but those are some things I want to show you. I have other stuff that I got from Boohoo when I ordered, but I'm not about to go look for it. And I also bought some stuff from Honey Bun, and I'm not gonna show you either. All right, next place I got is from American Eagle, but the lingerie size. So Ari, whatever. Okay, I got a free panty bag because I spent money on 10 panties because it had a deal and she gave me free panty bags. So I was like, hey. So I got 10 pennies in here. I'm not taking them out. Then the main reason why I even started shopping anyways was because of the panties. But then I saw these and then I was like, ooh, girl. Look at the bottoms. I honestly, this is my first time seeing the bottoms. Wow, I love it even more. These are sleeping pants. I need me some sleeping pants. Okay. The mall in Dallas, the North Park Mall, their Morphe store just opened. Don't know. I don't know when, but it's open. And when I went in there, they just gave me a bag and was like, we know what you about to do. And I was like, you know what I'm about to do, okay? So I got this bag here. It's cute. Got that? Okay. So I'm about to show you everything. Okay. I got the 13, no, this is 15. I got the 15B Brunch Babe eyeshadow palette. I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty sure y'all have seen it before. But yeah, I got that one. It's pretty, ain't it? I got the Morph Setting Mist Spray. Y'all, this thing feels good. You know how people be buying that Avion mist water thing or whatever? This kind of feels like it. I don't know what the mist feels like, but it feels so good. And then it sets your face. Like, it feels so good. So I got that. I already have another one, but I want another one because I feel like I'm going to use that a lot. And I got a lot of eyeliners. A lot. I'm not going to swatch them. Too much work. I got this one in Harper. Can you see it? Nope, but you can see my finger. Okay, so I got this one, Harper. I got this one in Poolside. I got this one in Regal. Then I got this one in Extra. Got this one in Extra, okay? Got 4 of those. And these are like $3 each, so I was like, oh. I don't know. Just know the amount of money I spent at Morph would have been the equivalent of getting like one eyeshadow palette, an eyebrow pencil, and a lip gloss at Sephora. And I got a lot of stuff, okay? Okay. And then I got a bronze. Hold on. What? Oh, it must have been this. Yeah, that was the, okay, makes sense. In color Vlogger. And then I got a whole lot of brushes. I got the Y6? Yeah, got the Y6 blending brush. I got the M506, it's like a little tinker blending brush. And then I got the eyeliner brush that I don't need, but I just want to try it out. The E38, it's a little angle one that came out. And then I got, what is this, a blending brush? This is a blending brush. Oh, it's a highlighter brush. I got a highlighter brush. The R36. This is a blending brush. The Y15. This one. And then I got another defining brush because I need more. So I got my eyebrow line, sometimes feel gross. So Y21. Y21. Then I got a blending brush. And E30. Just regular brush. And then I got a big brush. The R2D2 brush. Okay. So the bigger one, the bigger one. So the next thing, didn't get it Black Friday, but it was like Black Friday prices. Went to Coach. Yeah, I love me some Coach. Okay, and I got a wallet. Look how cute it is. Ain't it cute? The inside, pure red, pure bloody red. Next is from Melt Cosmetics. If you watch a previous video, I use Melt quite a bit. It's one of mine. I got their new collection of their smoke sessions that they released. I'm gonna show you the eyeshadow palette. So just so you know, it's inspired by marijuana and getting high and everything, but I don't do it. But when I show you the shades, you'll see why I got it. Like, these shades are popping. Comes with 4 liquid lipsticks. I'm not gonna swatch it. You'll have to see my next video that I do with this palette. Here we go. Do you see it? That's pretty. Do you see this one? It's called Blue Dream. Like, honey, what? These are amazing. Okay, my camera is overheating. We have to hurry up. Good thing I only have one more thing to show you. And the last thing I got is from her hair company. Her hair company. Okay. I'm gonna just show you one texture, okay? It feels good, y'all. Like, this hair feels bomb, okay? This is 16 inches of prettiness. So yeah, that'll be my hips. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm gonna show you. That's all I have time for. I'm about to go figure out how to edit this again. Make sure you check out my last video of, it's gonna be in these little card things. I don't know which way it goes. Just find it, okay? It's gonna pop in the card. It's when I went to an art exhibit and it was pretty lit. And please go watch it because it took me 3 days to figure out how to make that thing work. I have a new editing software and I have to learn a lot, okay? But yeah, go ahead, click like, comment, subscribe, share. Do all that. And I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe. See you later. Bye! Hi, I'm back. Okay, I forgot I did get more stuff online. I got some Fashion Nova clothes, so you'll see that in my winter haul as well. And then I got a new camera. I got a Canon Rebel T6, something like that. You know, just so I can use this camera that I'm recording on for vlogs, since when I vlog, I don't record for hours and hours or long minutes. I do it for like certain shots. I do like movie scene basically, and I like this camera for that because it just works better. In my new camera, I'll be able to record longer and my camera won't overheat when I'm recording, hopefully, and everything will just be fine. So yeah, that's all else I had to add. Is that all that I got? Yep.